po. Yes. Ang gulay. Yan. Serve pa. Tuloy. May makuha kami ano kasi pack choices. So, Paraw sailing here. Hello guys and good morning from Boracay. So right now this is our day 2 and medyo heavy yung schedule natin because we're gonna swim and then land tour, then if may time pa mamaya paraw sailing. And siyempre tatambay ulit tayo sa beachfront, tapos hindi mawawala yung kain. So anyway, ngayon we're wrapping up because free buffet breakfast. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung buffet breakfast nila dito sa Passion Pacific. And the reason why we need to show that is because on top of the amenities na mayroon ditong napakalaking swimming pool and then napakalaking gym, mayroon din sila ditong malaking area where they can accommodate at least 100 packs of guests. Tapos ganda. Kagabi nakikita ko kasi yung arrangement, parang sabi ko wow. So isipin mo, it's in amount of parang 3,500 pesos. May ganun na for the rest of my stay here every morning. Just good. So yun. And then hopefully by that time, after natin mag-breakfast, mayroon na tayong enough energy para mag-swim. Siguro mga 1 hour, 2 hours tayo sa beach. Then after that, mag-set na kami ng book for the land tour. Then hopefully we'll be back here around 2 or before 3 p.m. Quick lunch, then pahinga kami for 1 hour, then paraw sailing. Then after paraw sailing, if maabutan pa namin yung kahit mga 6 p.m., swim kami ulit for 30 minutes and then dinner. So yun. Hopefully, walang maging problema. So tara guys, at itour ko kayo dun sa namin, breakfast hall or banquet hall. Okay? So ito yung papuntang breakfast natin. Diba? Yan. Yan pa ritong love. Picture. So ito siya. This is our parang banquet hall ba yan? So excited. Kagabi ko pa ito pinapanaginip. Enjoy naman natin yung binayad natin. Diba? So, here is the food dito sa free breakfast natin. It's fruits. So, may fruits tayo dyan. Then also, they have chicken stir fry. Ayan, chicken stir fry. Tapos, daing bangus. Then you also have sauteed na gulay. Then you also have scrambled egg. You also have rice, steamed rice, and then fried rice. Tapos you also have here red velvet cake. And then this one parang I don't know. So it's a cupcake also. So you also have bread, pandesal as well. Then mga honey, chocolate, syrup, mga palaman, the butter and sliced cheese. Then you have cereals also, and then drinks. So far so good. So tara at kumain na tayo ng pagkain because gutom na si Sedi. Guys, this is our food for this morning. So we have scrambled egg, sauteed vegetable, we have chicken stir fry, daing na bangus, and then fried rice. Then mag-coffee tayo. So let's go. Kain. At least baka menos gastos. Kaya enjoy na natin yung meal kasi lunch na lang tayo maguguto. Lunch na lang. chocolate chili circle. Mag-inquire tayo guys sa mga tour packages. Kasi may nire-refer naman sila. Hello po. Good morning. Yeah, ma'am, na-mention ka po nung receptionist na may recommended kayong mga tour packages.
Activities. Yes po sir, mayroon po sir for moment.
Mag-inquire lang sana ako. So, if you're here in Paseo Pacific, you can also inquire for any available tour packages. Here is the... Sorry. Ito sa inyo. So, screenshot nyo na lang guys. So, yan. So, tignan muna natin ha. So, mayroon pa palang other side ito. Screenshot nyo na lang guys. This one is accredited yun naman na.
Yes po sir.
Okay. So, if you're staying here at Paseo Pacific, you can borrow towel that you can use on your tour. Whether island hopping or gusto nyo lang maligo sa beach pa. So, all you have to do is to request and then it's 101 po. Then, we'll fill it out for you, then you'll have to sign it lang.
And your signature sir please. And your first name here.
Yep. Alright.
Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Once done, you secure 2 towels, which is very good, diba? Keep in mind na bawal lang tong madumihan. Because once na madumihan nyo po yung towel, you have to pay for 1,500 pesos. If I'm not mistaken. Tama yung pagkakaalala ko. Right now, ano lang tayo? Simple. But, kasi ang gagawin natin, before tayo magtampisaw, we have to take some IG photo in front of the beach front. Then after that, once done, sige, tampisaw na tayo. Kahit 3 oras pa tayo sa dagat. So it's a beautiful weather here in Boracay. It's our day 2. Tapos nakano tayo. Naka-aqua shoes, hindi ba? Ayan, aqua shoes. Nakapanibago if you're here. Then, nasa-stroll ka. Away ka from the stress of Manila. Nakakapanibago. Ito, if tingin ko, this is owned by it's a resort, previous resort, tapos owned by Koreans. And di ko alam, for whatever reasons, pina-close na ng province of Malay or municipality of Malay. So, ganda guys, tingnan nyo. Abante tayo Wow! Diba? Ayan na siya.
Sir.
Na.
Hanapin, sir.
Same as yesterday. Medyo maalon lang ngayon.
Sa station 1 ba sila?
Ganda talaga ng Boracay.
Tanaw na sila pa.
So here is the island hopping docking area. Day 2. Tignan nyo yung dami ng tao. My goodness. So if mag-island hopping ka, make sure na maaga ka rito. Kasi if hindi, then hindi ko na lang alam. Siguro mga 10 AM na kayo makaalis. Diba? Always make sure na maaga kayo. Ha?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
While we're here, napansin ko to. Wow, sana all 50 years din sila, kinasal sila ulit dito sa Boracay. Tama ba yung term ko? Kinasal, parang ganun, or they're celebrating parang parang their 50th anniversary. Sana all umabot ng 50 years. Didn't get much. So guys, right now we are still here sa beachfront. O, diba? It's 10 a.m. today. Ganda ng weather. Very beautiful, no? Yung view, mas pretty siya compare kapag hapon. Kasi kapag hapon, ang daming tao. And then, minsan nandyan na yung mga nag-island hopping boat. So medyo crowded na yung area na to. But this is located at Station 1. Actually near na to sa may Shangri-La, no? Nakikita ko yung mga stones banda doon. So after this, ayos lang kami. Then lalabas ulit kami for our lunch. Hopefully baka mango mama kami. Mango mama ba yun? Then after that, pahinga. Then let's see if mag-paraw sailing later this afternoon. If may makuha kami kasi parang because of the crisis, lahat ng taas dito sa Boracay. Expected. So parang 100% turnaround yung mga island hopping before na parang makukuha mo ng 1,100 or 1,200, as of the moment nasa 2,900 na siya, pero kasama na kasi yung buffet doon per person yun na. So ganun. Tapos ano pa ba, I guess if you're here tapos sawang-sawa ka na sa mga island hopping, parang mga beach activity, then best way to enjoy Boracay is to spend at least 3 hours here sa sa beach area. Just swimming, gawa ka ng content if you're a content creator. If not, then you can also create some cute videos, yung mga trendy videos that you can upload both kung may TikTok ka or Facebook or Instagram. So yun. Tapos best mga tropical drinks dito sa Boracay will be yung tinry natin kagabi, which is the Halo Mango ata yun, and then yung Jonas sikat na sikat dito. Nakita ko yun nung naglalakad tayo yesterday, mabandang tanghali yun. But then again, kasi medyo on a pricier side siya, parang siyang prutas, in a pricier side siya, so we choose not to try it. Pero kung may budget ka naman, di ba, kain ka lang ng kain dito talaga, dahil part of resetting is enjoying life by eating ka. Alam mo naman, daming budget. Anyway, yun lang. Tapos, wala masyado kang tao dito. Pero expect mo, pagka nandito ka sa Boracay, tapos umupo ka rito ng 5 p.m. Wala ka ng space. Halos parang 3 meters. Mayroong nakalatag na na mga parang towels na pwede nyo upuan. Or parang mapping. Pero this time, wala naman. Dami bakante. So yun lang guys, quick update lang. Tapos, after this video, mag-wrap up kami, then babalik muna sa hotel, mag-aayos, tapos lunch, tapos mango mama or mango mama. Then after that, pahinga. Let's see if kaya pa ng land tour. If not, then pahinga pa rin. Tapos paraw sailing by 4. After paraw sailing, it's 30 minutes only. Go back here, spend time, afternoon, content. Then after that, uwi, then dinner, then ganun ulit. Ganun ang cycle dito, no? Yun lang guys. Ayun pala. May paddle dito, paddle. So yun lang. So yun muna guys, balik muna kami sa hotel, ha? So after namin reset. Wow, reset na naman. Grabe, gamit yung word na reset. After namin mag-wrap up sa pag-aayos, we'll be going to beachfront and then the mall. Because we're gonna find something to eat for our lunch. That's for one. Medyo nangitim na tayo. And after that, balik kami sa hotel because we need to get recharged for the paraw sailing. Which will happen between 4 to 5. So hopefully, we're good na by that time. So it's 1 p.m. here. Still napakainit. Pero napansin ko rito, between 1 to 3, sama na natin golf kasi para naabot na naman natin yung sama ko yung golf. Wala masyadong naglalabas dito. Ang busy dito sa Boracay during noon will be yung yung highway. Kasi meron doon Jollibee, may McDo, ang Inasal, then marami pang mas murang mga food choices roon or fast food compared dito sa beachfront. So if you're here, tapos on a budget ka, I highly suggest to look for resto dun sa highway. Pero if malito naman yung difference kasi hindi pa natin mapag-compare, then dito, better dito. Ito yung mga bilihan ng mga pasalubong. Let's try na makabili mamaya. Tapos gawin natin yung mga side hustle natin, yung mga bargain to the max. Diba? Dito naman sa Henan, Crystal Sands, they're offering buffet. So ito yung mga rate. I'll show you. So it's daily buffet for breakfast, 699. May seafood dinner buffet sila, 1199. For Sunday to Thursday, then Friday to Saturday is 1249. Plus 250 for unlimited drinks. So this is Henan Crystal Sands. Located lang din to sa station. Diba? Maraming ganyan eh. Maraming ganyan dito. Karamihan mga Henan nag-offer ng buffet. Yung mga differences, siguro dahil nasa station 1 to, so mas expensive. Yung nasa station 2 na Henan, parang tuwing mas mura siya, parang 1,079 pesos during Sunday to Thursday. Ang mahal talaga Friday to Saturday because yun yung peak season, ay yun yung peak days ng arrival ng mga tourists. So, yan. Food stops here. Ito naman yung mga parang mga seafood restaurant dito sa loob ng D-Mall. Then guys is McDonald's because apparently mahal talaga ngayon dito sa Boracay because of the crisis. So sige lang, tawid gutom. So guys, we are here now in McDonald's in front of Station 2 Beachfront. So ito yung order ito. So basically ito muna dahil ang hirap mamili dun sa D-Mall and even dito sa mga restaurant along beachfront lang ng Station 1 to 3. So we just here na lang because magmamanggo-mama pang paraw sailing tapos baka mag-land tour, so maraming gastos. So dahil budget lang naman talaga yung travel natin to Bora, so ito muna. Siguro kapag may mga paid sponsored, mga sponsored na tayo, sige todo natin kahit saan tayo. Tsaka mamayang gabi na lang siguro. Yun lang guys, kain tayo. After a long journey. Long journey talaga, parang halos kakastart lang namin ng araw, di ba? Pero yun nga, so this is our second day. So ngayon pa lang kami magmamango. So this is located at the D-Mall. So yun, gonna try that one because halos lahat ng content creator tsaka maganda yung mga review niya sa Facebook. Sarap daw talaga. So let's try. Ito na tayo. Sa D-Mall na tayo guys. So here is the Mango Mama. Let's go.
Cash payment. Yes.
Our order.
So, diretso lang po ako. Tapos may budget mark. So, pag sa kaya ng mga tayo. So, budget mark, tapos sabihin ko na lang. Mama, mango mama.
Hold up.
Sige ma, isang big kasi. May 20 pesos. Dalawa.
Hello guys, after a quick rest sa hotel room, we are back here at Station 1 Beachfront. So, nasa harap natin to mga beautiful paraw sailing. So, we avail the sunset paraw sailing for a joiner. Kasi hindi natin kaya mag-private tour, no? Kasi ang dami pa natin expenses na parating. So, ang call time will be 4:30 pero unfortunately, minove na lang siya ng 5, which is okay lang din naman sa amin because at least hindi na masyadong mainit. So time check, it's 4:35. Hopefully mga 10 minutes from now papunta na kami dun sa boat. So yun, kailangan namin to ma-experience kasi sa lahat ng activities dito, isa yung paraw sailing dito sa Boracay na gusto ko talaga ma-experience. and for the simple reason na maganda kasi yung view ng Boracay up close, no? So, I imagine if nandyan ka lang approximately, let's say parang 1 nautical mile from here, tapos you have the background of beautiful Boracay Island. Ang gandang i-content. Ang ganda rin ikunan ng video. Ganda lang for memories, no? So yun. So we got this tour package. Here's tourism parang booth here sa Station 1, and then this is accredited by Department of Tourism, meaning ano to, regulated to, no? License whatsoever kung ano man ang itawag nyo rito. In short, iwas scam, ano? Kasi marami naman dito ano, pagka naglalakad ka, maraming sumasalubong sa'yo na naka-eye. But wala eh. Mahirap kasi mag-take ng risk, so we tend na dito na lang mag-avail ng tour package. So kuha muna tayo ng mga snapshots ng ating ano view here sa tourism booth ng Boracay, and hopefully in a bit we'll be riding the Sparrow Sail. So tara. So ito yung waiting area namin for the parasailing. It's located at Station 1 in front of Sandbar. Ayan siya. I don't know if kita siya, but yeah. Yun lang guys. Waiting for our parasailing activity. Parasailing, here we go. Let's go! Yeah, Cebu Pacific pala to. Let's go! Ay, naka-zoom pala yan. Siya, sasawa na natin. Cebu Pacific, let's fly every day. Parasailing. Hindi ka talaga dito pwede magdala ng gamit, literal na nasa bulsa mo, tumatama sa yung tubig. Yun guys, travel tip 101. If you are trying this parasailing, remember na pwede naman magdala ng gamit, siguro max isang phone, tapos if you have camera na like DJI or Instax, yun, okay na yun. Huwag ka na magdala ng iba pang phone or wallet as well, kasi tinan nyo to, basang basa oh, literal. Salamat Cebu Pacific. Sunset guys, maganda talaga pagka 5:30 yung sunset, bungad na bungad sa'yo. Ganda pa ng view, medyo kalmado na yung alon. Thank you kuya. Papunta namin ang docking area guys. Here, ito na yung Boracay Island, Station 1. Bye bye sunset. Hello guys, and we are back here at beachfront. Papunta kami ng D-Mall to find our dinner restaurant. So, probably doon kami ulit sa area. Kasi mas talagang type dito sa mga kainan dito. Yung mga seafood naman, kaso we are on a budget. So it's either fast food or yung mga reasonable na restaurant yung pwede natin puntahan. And Aria is one of the best. So, lapit lang din siya. But before that, we'll be buying some souvenirs pasalubong for my family. It's very important because magtatampo yung mga yan. We're just enjoying the evening here at Boracay. So this is part of Station 1 also. No? Daming selection. Hopefully we can find one. Here. Anong location nito mo?
Station 1 na to eh.
Tapos anong pangalan ng store mo?
Doon kasi ang arahan ng store
Doon
sa
nga.
malapit po sa Starbucks.
Malapit. Okay. Guys, so malapit sa Starbucks. So pasok tayo. Let's look for bags na pwede kong bigay kay mama. Napili natin. So I bought this one for 300 pesos. Yung mga ganito nila is 100
Magutot
pesos.
po talaga kayo natin. Promise. Apenda ka.
Ako guys ng ref magnet. So itong kinuha natin. It's 50 pesos only. So guys, finally we got this pasalubong and souvenirs for our family. Is besides Starbucks lang. Okay. So finally guys, kuha na natin. Hindi tayo masyado makapag-ingay because we respect their privacy doon sa pinabila natin. They're Muslim and actually mas madali talaga makabargain yung mga kapatid natin mga Muslim because ano kasi sa religion namin we tend na somehow be as transparent as possible, meaning kung talagang yun na yung sagat, yun na talaga yung ibibigay natin. Now yun, nakuha namin very cheap yung mga ref magnet na nasa D-Mall na 80 to 100 pesos, dito nakuha namin for 50 pesos yung mga cutesy bag na pwede mo lagyan ng money. Nakuha namin ng 100 pesos. And then for yung parang ratan na bag nila, we got it for like 350, but for sa D-Mall nasa 400 to 350 pesos yun. So right now we are in front of the Red Coconut. Ang daming tao. Kasi may performance sa loob.
Dito ba?
Yan. Hello guys, right now we are here at Aria. Kinain na namin last night and we're back because of good meals here. Actually, most of them are good, no? In terms of pasta, pizza, this is very recommendable, no? It's very recommendable. If you're here sa Station 1 lang to, don't forget to visit this one. Sorry, distracted ako kasi parang mayroong problema dun sa labas. Yeah. Pero it seems na okay na.
Online classes na sa talaga kung
Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Station 2. Malapit doon sa Boracay signage. Yun ang camera. Tapos napansin namin to. Cheese Moon. So we'll try their photo booth. So let's go inside. Guys, if you're here sa Station 2, dun sa may highway, near yung Boracay signage, just go here sa may other side ng Boracay signage. This is Cheese Moon. Okay? So, marami silang photo options like big size and small size. Yan, marami din silang props. Here. Yan. Ito yung mga samples sila. Maganda, no? Tsaka mas mura siya sa Manila, actually. Cute talaga. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga ibang props. Ang dami nilang props, guys. Here. Napansin lang namin to nung pauwi kami. Kasi nasa gilid nga ng highway. Ayun siya. Boracay Station 2 guys ha. Malapit sa Boracay signage. Corner ano to eh. Parang corner stall. So yun. Nasa second floor siya is Cheese Moon. Okay? Hello guys. And right now, nandito na tayo sa hotel. Asia Pacific. And yeah. Tapos na ang ating day 2 for our Boracay trip. And ang bilis ng oras for me. Pero yung mga kasama ko, mabagal yung oras sa kanila kasi till Friday. Till ano pa sila, no? Till Friday ata, yes. So anyway, That's good. Na-maximize natin yung ano, kasi halos wala akong pahinga dito. And nakaka-refresh lang talaga tumambay sa beachfront. And if you're planning to have a vacation this 2026, maybe you can consider Boracay and consider trying this hotel. This is Paseo Pacific, located at Station Up. So, di ba? Ang ganda ng garden nila. Tapos, not to mention yung beach. Ay, sorry, yung pool nila tsaka yung gym. So, yun lang. So, that's all for today, guys. And see you on my next travel vlog.